So today I would like to show something that absolutely drives me crazy when using GNOME-based distributions like this Ubuntu GNOME 16.04, and that is how to set the German keyboard. Now I'm typing some characters that are supposed to be German characters, but clearly they are not, so I have to change the keyboard setup. And for this I would expect this to be really easy, as German is one of the major languages in the world. So let's see how it goes. Settings. By the way, settings used to be easy to reach in here. They no longer are, but once you know how to get to the settings, you still can. So let's go to the keyboard settings, because I want to set my keyboard to German, right? But no, there are no settings for setting the keyboard to German. Really, you can do everything but not set the language, which is the most important thing for a keyboard, right? Clearly, you can see that this GNOME stuff is made by people in the US who only think about the US keyboard, and everything else is not important. Why they moved the most important feature of a keyboard to this button up here, Input Sources. Let's click that. Now here certainly I can select German, right? Well, actually here I do see German, but that's only because I played with it before. So let's remove that. Before I can, I have to go here. It always wants to install British English for me. I don't know why, so I'm canceling this. And actually let's remove that German, because that would spoil all the fun that we will have here. So I would expect in this window to have a list of the major languages of the world, like French, Spanish, English, German, and a couple of others, right? Maybe 5 or 10 or so. Yeah, at least the main ones. But no, they're not here. You can choose between English, United States, and English. Yeah, totally funny. So I have to click this button. Clearly I can now select German, right? Yeah, that's what you would think. But no, you can choose between 1, 2, 3, 4 variants of English, Chinese, and Spanish, but again, no German. Now let's make clear, German is not some minor language. It's one of the key languages in the world. A majority of open source software, almost a majority, I would say a major part of open source software in the world is coming from Germany, but still German is not in this list. Now, what should I do? Click this maybe? Yeah, it's saying more. Let's click this. Clearly now there will be German. Let's scroll here. English, 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 English New Zealand, English Nigeria, English Philippines, English South Africa, English Zambia. Is this a joke? I mean, there is English and Spanish and more Spanish, but still no German. It's insane. How am I supposed to switch this thing to German? Now let's type in German here. Maybe it will appear. No, it doesn't. Not even now the German keyboard appears. It's really crazy. Nothing appears. Maybe I have to type in the German word for German, which is Deutsch. Let's do that. Heck, even less than nothing appears here. It's crazy. Now, what am I supposed to do now? Cancel this out again? Scroll through the entire list of English, Colombia, El Salvador, and so on, Venezuela, just to reach to other? Now, look at this. Now we have languages like Albanian Plesi D1 or Arabic Backwalter or Arabic Macintosh. So stuff clearly no one is interested in. Just to get to German? Let's see whether we find German now. Yeah, but not just once. We get German Austria Sun dead keys, Austria eliminate dead keys, Dvorak, Macintosh, Macintosh eliminate dead keys, Neo 2 Sun dead keys. Heck, what is this? Only the programmers who put this crap in here know what this is supposed to be. Romanian Germany? Are they kidding? Turkish Germany? It's insane. I just want frigging regular German. And it shouldn't be so complicated, right? I have to scroll through a list of every crap combination you could think of just to get finally to normal plain German. Can it be so complicated? I mean, as long as you make it so complicated for your users, it's no wonder that no one in Germany uses GNOME. And even now I have, look at this, I have selected German here, but it still says CM here. So it's still not German. I type in here, no, still not working. So I have to, in addition to finding and installing this German from a sub menu, I have to go here and finally select German here, and now my German characters start working. How insane is that? Dear GNOME guys, please fix this.